SendCloud Delivery Honest Review. Watch before you choose a shipping platform for your business. There is something most store owners completely overlook, and it quietly drains their profits every single month. Most people get this wrong, but here's why: choosing the right delivery system can decide whether your online store grows or struggles. SendCloud is a shipping automation platform designed for e-commerce sellers who ship multiple orders per day. It connects your online store to multiple couriers, prints shipping labels in bulk, tracks parcels, and automates customer notifications. The surprising truth about SendCloud is how much time it can save. Instead of logging into separate courier websites, copying addresses, and manually creating labels, SendCloud lets you manage everything from one dashboard. You can import orders directly from your store, select your courier, and generate labels in seconds. SendCloud supports major carriers and lets you compare prices and delivery times side by side. That alone can reduce shipping costs by up to 20% when you consistently choose the most efficient option for each shipment. One of the most powerful features is branded tracking. Your customers receive professional tracking emails and a branded tracking page that reduces "Where's my order?" messages. Fewer support tickets means more time for growth. Returns are also easier. Customers can create return labels themselves, and you track the return process in your dashboard. That improves trust and increases repeat purchases. However, SendCloud is best suited for businesses shipping several orders per week or more. If you only ship 1 or 2 packages per month, the automation may feel like more than you need. If your shipping feels chaotic, expensive, or time-consuming, SendCloud can transform your delivery process into a smooth, scalable system. Subscribe now for more honest reviews that help your business grow smarter.